Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you the cover screen camera viewfinder mode on your Motorola Razr 70 Ultra. So first, what we want to do is we want to close our phone and open the camera via the cover screen. So let's quickly fold our phone, make sure that there's no dust inside so that you don't damage it. And we got our cover screen right here. Now what we want to do is we want to go over and open up the camera. As you guys can see here, we got the camera. As you guys can see, both of the cameras will work. And of course, what are we going to do here is we can frame the shots here, and we can use another camera in order to do that. So we can simply just tap to take a picture, and of course we can also use the volume button. No matter which one, both of them work. And basically we want to make sure that we understand that we can take the photos, fold it of course, and we cannot switch between the front and rear camera since the front camera is inside. So you will have to take your phone like this. Of course we need to put it a bit more so that it opens up the camera. Of course we got it like that now, and here we got an option to change it to the other camera. So as you guys can see, that's me, and that's how we can easily change it. So we can only change it while the phone is folded or in its normal state. We cannot do that when the phone is covered completely. So basically the viewfinder mode is just like this. So you can switch between the cameras, not from the cover screen interface, but you can do that while being in here. And that's how you guys can use your cover screen camera. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.